All right, thank you so much. I am so glad that you gave us the opportunity to share with you tools to help reduce anxiety and stress in COVID-19. Now, you have 10 tools. I encourage you to practice them. Watch it again if you found it helpful. And if you have any feedback, send us a Facebook message, a email, what else do we got? I guess we have Instagram, it's called, Gram Insta, whatever it is. We have a phone number, like the old days, you could just call us and leave a message. If you would like an implementation group, we do have ongoing, and we're going to probably begin, we've been thinking about it for a couple of weeks, bringing COVID-19 with a good mood. And this and a couple other courses and videos we've been sharing, we might have between 5 and 15 people who in a chat room, we can do things, and you'll get a lot more videos if you join that. We don't want to overwhelm people on the internet who don't want to get more stuff flooding their inboxes. But if you want more stuff flooding your inboxes, we'll flood it. Thank you. Thank you. Blessings to you. And may you have an uplifting, transformative, and meaningful second half of a more intense, enduring COVID-19 quarantining experience. Hopefully, being contained will help you get free and to learn new things and new ways of being and connecting with others and feeling good. Good mood to you.